What's up, Christina? I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this crochet hair that I have in right now. So if you are interested in this review, then definitely keep on watching, because let me tell you, this color combo right here, this eats, okay? And you can't tell me nothing, all right? Let's get into it. All right, so the crochet hair that I have in is the Gogo Curl crochet hair. I bought it off Amazon, and I did pay probably around $35 for it, so it was definitely on the more affordable side. I will say I wanted to do a very nice blonde color before the summer was over, and I was very nervous because this is my first 613 hairstyle. I feel like especially in crochet, like, can we talk about how hard it is to find really nice color combos in crochet hairs? I had a hard time finding a nice curly color combo because the colors be off. Let me know if you have that same problems in the comments down below. But a lot of the hairs that I was looking for, their 27 613 blend is like, this 27 is super yellow, and then if you go to the 30 side, it's like really red. It has like that orange red color, and it's kind of like, that's not what I want. But with this brand, this 1B 27 613 blend eats, okay? I will of course have the link to this hair in the description box below. It did come with 8 packs of hair and a crochet needle, so no need to worry about having your own crochet needle. For the most part, when you do buy hair on Amazon, if it is a crochet hair, you will get a crochet needle. Honestly, if you buy braids nowadays, half the time they give you crochet needles as well, so you can never fall short of not having a crochet needle on hand. But to achieve this style, I did use 7 packs. Well, no, let me back up. To achieve the style, I used 6.5 packs of hair. I will insert clips showing you guys how I inserted my hair. I didn't think I recorded like my braid down pattern or anything. It was just a very simple braid down pattern. I did it to where I could wear it in the middle as well as the side, but honestly I mostly rocked it in a side part, and this hair took me probably about 3 hours to do. I didn't separate the blonde pieces much, but I did like maybe once if the pieces were already unraveling, because I didn't want to deal with the tangling and just the hair separating, because when it did separate, it gave it this like almost frizzy vibe, which made it look a little bit more synthetic, which I didn't like, but it was totally fine. So I used 6.5 packs of hair, and I didn't want it to look too full, so that was totally fine. I left like 1.5 packs left over, which was good because I ended up wearing this hair longer than I wanted to. If you were to tell me that this hair was gonna last me over a month, I would laugh in your face. I thought this hair was gonna last me a week, but you know, we had high hopes for her. So I had 6.5 packs of hair, and then I went in after about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, and whatever started to, you know, shift, because sometimes your braid does shift, because I did do like a wash and actually went into the tangle and separate the hair and cut out what needed to cut out. So I then reapplied the packs that I applied the packs that I had left over to like the top and like my edges. Whatever needed filling, I kind of just like filled it in, and whatever needed to be cut out, I cut it out. So right now all the packs are gone, but I will say if you do buy this hair, I would say probably leave a pack left over in case you want to touch it up if you're going to wear it for a long amount of time. I will say this hair is a medium maintenance type of hair, but it's not like a super annoying medium type of maintenance hair. And I only say that because I didn't maintain it as much as I should have. And I will say probably after like a week and a half, that's when I went in to do like my major like maintenance routine, which it wasn't super bad, but you could definitely see like it started to mat up a little bit, and then the texture started to change. Even though I will say once I started to wear the hair in, I loved it a lot better than when I just got it. It just gave synthetic, you know what I'm saying? Because I guess the 613, I don't know, it was just too shiny. You can always like dull that down, but I was just like, whatever. So it gave that vibe, but it was still cute. and it took me a while to get used to the color combo, but I love it. People loved it on me. I get a lot of comments from work, everywhere I go, so you can never go wrong with this hair. I love the color combo so much that it's taken me a month to take this out. It's actually over a month. That's how impressed I am with this hair. I mean, right now it looks pretty bad. I haven't done any sort of maintenance in it within like a week. So this is what it looks like, and I decided not to do it because I'm about to take this out tonight and I wanted you guys to see how it would look like rough up, you know what I'm saying? I did work out in this hair a little bit, and I did go into the jacuzzi at an Airbnb I was staying at, not for super long, but the hair did get wet and I feel like it did okay. To tell you if it's super water friendly, I cannot. Nor active friendly, I cannot. But I feel like if you are going on a vacation and you're just going for a couple of days, this hair will definitely work. I would say though, you definitely need to put it in 2 to 3 twists or braids at night and then put your bonnet up. That's all I really do, or pineapple it with my little scrunchie, put my bonnet up. But for the most part, I kind of just like twisted it up. And that was pretty much all it took in terms of maintenance and cutting out the stragglies, separating them so they don't mat up. And then the products that I use, I made sure to have them on deck this time for you guys. So I use my Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. As you guys know, I always use this for my synthetic like hair. It adds nice moisture and it helps me with detangling. But for this hair, for some reason, this combo eats, okay? When it looked rough and I went in with these two things, it was game over. The other thing is the African Pride's Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. This is the Hydrate and Shine one, and I am pretty much, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm pretty much out of this one. It's like done. But for this hair, this worked way better than just having this alone. Together it was great. But I will say, in my previous video for my crochet locks that I did, the individual method, if you haven't seen that, check it out. The Hawaiian Silky worked wonders on the curly ends. I also had that hair in for quite a while. So yeah, these were the products that I used for this. I haven't maintained it in a long ass time, so it is time to go. A little 360 turn for you guys so you can see how it looks over a month. It's probably like a month and like 3 days, so you know what I'm saying. So this is what she's looking like. I did get her in 18 inches. She was honestly given kind of like 22 inches because I feel like now is where I'm getting more of an 18-inch vibe. I did also do a lot of snipping because she was like probably a little bit maybe under my boobs, so you can see how much I kind of cut off. But I'll verify that by uploading a picture of when I first got her done so you can see the texture of how it looks versus now. But this color combo eats. I love it. I'll definitely be saving this hair because I'm gonna get her again, okay? And of course, you know, the hair has grown out and, you know, blends a little bit better, especially because the texture has changed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you are going on your next little vacation or whatever, you can pick yourself up this hair if you don't mind doing a little maintenance. I will suggest every 2 to 3 days you go in to just make sure it is separated, twist it up. That's it, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.